Okay, we have yellow words now. This side. An, be, he, in, she. Do you see any rhyming words in there? 3 of them rhyme. Which ones? Be, he, she. What's another one? We. Now we have by, are, down, here, went. Your turn. Whoops. That one's kind of hard. Down. Okay, again, with our yellow words, we should know all of these words by now. Tomorrow we're going to move on to our green words and then our blue words. But if you don't know all of your yellow words, some of these words that are a little bit harder, make sure you practice those with someone at home. Write them. Practice saying them. If you don't know it, you can say down, D, O, W, N, down. I can tell you, when I was in school, when I was a little girl, I used to do little cheers, and I used to do things like this, and to help me remember, I would do things like D, O, W, N, yay! And I would cheer, and I would do things, and that helped me remember them. So you can be silly, it's okay. Do things, have fun with them, and you will learn them.